was one of the Perth artists to be awarded a public art commission by METRONET. My public art piece is going in at Alkimos Station, so it's a big day. It was both exciting but also a little bit nerve-wracking, being glass and steel and having a precision engineered piece of artwork positioned 12 meters above a pedestrian area, so the safety is huge. For this project, I've made two pieces of art. The one is blue and represents the ocean and the moon over the ocean. The title of that artwork is Moon Over Ocean. The second one is Land Under Sun, and it's the land with the golden arc which represents the sun. The artwork is interlayered bulletproof glass, and the digital image that came from the painting is inkjet applied with a ceramic ink and then baked onto the glass. Well, I wanted the work to be abstract and minimal in a way that it could relate to people from different backgrounds, different cultures, of different ages. I hope when people see this artwork, they will get a sense of the land and the ocean and a sense of seasons and cycles. So I'm hoping that the artwork delivers a universal connection to people.